The other way that I try and get the product into people's hands, and that's what we're talking about here, is to have what I call an issues list. Well, what's that? I've gone through, and I invite you to do the same thing, and made a list of issues that Unicity is the solution for. For example, clearly, we're the solution for blood sugar management and cholesterol control and maybe lose a few pounds and manage your fat better. We're also the solution for a whole bunch of other problems like work with people you want to work with and have a good boss and make some extra money, blah, blah, blah. But on this question of products, I've made a list of issues that I know that Balance and Matcha and Cleanse are the solution for. The reason I've made that list is because of human psychology. When I've got that list, my mind is more attuned to those issues. And so when conversations come up that are tangential or even directly related to that, for example, man, I'd love to coach my kids' soccer team, but I am just so beat after work. Or, yeah, my wife, my husband, my friend, whatever, just got put on statin drugs and he's a bit nervous about the side effects. I mean, I'm pointed in on a couple of very direct issues there, but there's many more conversations that go on all the time that are directly related to that or tangential to that. And then I respond then, if it's appropriate, or later, more gracefully with, you know what, when you said ABC, I've been thinking about that. I think I've got a solution for you. That phraseology of, I think I've got a solution for you, is absolutely magic. Because what you're doing there is you're demonstrating, one, you're listening, first of all, and let's be frank, most of us know we're not being listened to. Number two, that you're pondering that comment in behalf of that other person's benefit. I've got a solution for you. That sets up, oh, well, great, what is it? And then I segue into, well, I take my Unicity Matcha or my what I call swamp juice because it gives me that natural energy, and I go into my 10 or 15 second elevator pitch. Without going all over them and giving the whole spiel, I've invited a question, I've answered the question, which invites another question, answer the question, there goes a sample. So those are two ways that I go about it. One is just use it in public. It invites questions if you do it properly without too much theater. And the other is have this in the back of my mind, issues list, and it's amazing that once you have those issues percolating there, you've built that list, how these opportunities just pop up all over the place to answer questions gracefully. Now, one other cherry on the top. If you really want to have some fun, and you're doing it with someone that you've got some underlying relationship with, I love to use Nature's Tea. And if there's some conversation about products you're taking, maybe those first two strategies are working for you, then you can always say, well, let me give you another example of the great products we have. Let me give you this tea. Here's what you do. You take it tonight, steep it for a couple of minutes, drink it, just sip it before you go to bed, and then tomorrow morning I'll give you a call and ask you how it's going. Here's what happens. They call you, and they say, Aaron, what on earth did you give me? And my answer always is, well, it's working, right? The great thing with Nature's Tea is there's zero ambiguity that thing works. Now, you can't do it to a complete stranger. They will sue you. I don't know what they'll do, but they won't like you. Someone with an underlying relationship, and you want to prove that these products work and do what they say they're going to do, Nature's Tea is a great example for that because the results are absolutely unambiguous and, more importantly, they're instantaneous. So Balance and Matcha, number one, use them in the marketplace, use them in your daily life, non-theatrically, answer the questions that flow as a consequence. Number two, have an issues list which will prime your mind to be more receptive to the issues or the ones directly or tangentially that we have the solution for. You then provide the solution of, I have a solution for you. That language is wonderfully graceful. And then if you really want to stick it to someone, or you really want to impress them, or you really want to convince them that this product does what we say it will do, Nature's Tea is an absolute great one to do that with.